ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an AI chatbot technology that uses machine learning to generate human-like text responses to user inputs. It was first established in 2018 by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of the for-profit corporation OpenAI LP. ChatGPT statistics at a glance. ChatGPT was launched on 30th of November 2022. The new and improved embedding model of ChatGPT was launched on 15th of December 2022. 13 million individual active users visited ChatGPT per day as of January 2023. ChatGPT crossed the 100 million users milestone in January 2023. In the first month of its launch, ChatGPT had more than 57 million monthly users. ChatGPT has crossed 1 million users within a week of its launch. Microsoft invested $10 billion in OpenAI, gaining 46% of stake ownership of the company. $1 billion was received by OpenAI from Microsoft in the initial stages of the development of ChatGPT. The valuation of the parent company of ChatGPT has reached $29 billion as of 2023. ChatGPT can only fetch data prior to the year 2021, as its training stopped in the year 2021. Microsoft Azure supports OpenAI and provides them with the computational power required for running ChatGPT. ChatGPT owner OpenAI predicts that they will be able to generate a revenue of $1 billion by the end of the year 2024. $200 million in revenue is expected by the OpenAI by the end of the year 2023.